Hello lovely kids, how are you? Today teacher is here to do a very nice work. Do you know what it is? We're going to make a beautiful, what is it? Aeroplane, right? Would you like to give a try? Aeroplane. Where do aeroplanes go? Yes? Where do aeroplanes fly? In the water? No. We see them in the sky, right? Okay, now today we are going to make a very beautiful aeroplane, and for dear parents, there can be steps that are difficult for your kid. For example, cutting and sometimes drawing these wings, fan. Okay, so you will have to help them in this activity, and please keep this one for our exhibition. Okay, right, so let's give a start to this aeroplane. Let's see what do we need for this activity. Okay, we need a bottle, right? I'm using a big bottle, but you can also use a small bottle also, right? So this is a 1.5 liter bottle, but you can use a smaller one, right? Then you will need A4s, colored A4s, a pencil, scissor, and some glue and a sellotape. Okay, right, let's start. First I'm going to wrap the bottle with this white color paper. Did you see that? Okay, so let me wrap it. So before that I'm going to use the sellotape and then cut a piece of sellotape and I'm sticking it to this place. Okay, did you see that? Right, now you have to keep the edge like this way and paste it here. Did you see that? Now it will not move. The paper is not going to move, so that you can apply some glue. Right. Once you roll the paper around the bottle, you need to glue this side to the bottle. Okay, so what I am doing here is taking some glue and apply onto this side and paste. Once I wrap the bottle, it looks like this, right? Now you can keep the bottle like this way, and we are going to put some wings for the aeroplane. Okay? Right. Now take a white color paper and then draw a wing. How do you draw a wing? Like this way. Right, so I'm using a platinum because you can't see. See whether now you can see this? Yes. Now you will have to cut two of them, right? So you can fold it like this way and cut. So here I have two wings, right? So for this step and the earlier one, you will need the help of your parent. Okay, right. Now you can stick these two wings together, right? We are going to paste them together. Okay, right. So what am I going to do? Now I have glue here. Right, I'm sticking these two. Not to the very bottom, just leave some space like this because we need to paste it here. Right? You can fold the crease like this way, so it's easy for us to paste. Right? Now you should be having something like this. Now I'm going to paste this one. Just keep your bottle like this way. Okay. This is how it should look once you finish. Right? This one. For this step, You can use any colored A4 paper. Okay, right, so I have two equal pieces and I'm going to make two rolls. Okay, so how do you make a roll? You have to gently do like this way and paste it. Okay, right. Now I have two rolls. Right, I'm going to fix them to the aeroplane like this way. Okay, keep your aeroplane straight and then stick them here. Now I'm using a green colored A4 paper to put the wings. You know the wings in the aeroplane, right? We're going to cut 4 of them. Okay, 2 to the front and another 2 to this place. Okay, let's start. Now you will have to cut 2 wings like this way. Okay, now before pasting you will have to fold a crease like this way and apply some glue like this way and fix it on top of the roll. Now we have to fix it on top of the roll this way. Wow, very beautiful, no? Okay. These are the 2 small wings. Okay, small wings. Now again I will have to fold the crease like this because I'm going to fix it here. Right? So we're going to have 2 wings. Right. So what else do we need? We need another thing here now. Have you seen that? Yes. We need that fan, the rotating fan. Okay? Right. This is how you going to cut that one. Right? So you have to remove the lid first. What is lid? This one. Right? It can be any color, doesn't matter. Right? Remove the lid and then you have to take another colored, any color you can take. Okay? Another colored A4 and then you have to keep your lid here and draw the fan. Once you cut it out, it will look like this. Okay, now what am I going to do? I'm going to place the lid here. Now you have to keep the lid like this way and draw around the lid. Right, you will have a circle. Now we need to cut that circle. Right, so you can fold it into 2 and cut along the circle. Right, why am I cutting like this way? Because I'm going to fix it here. Right, and you can now close the lid like this so that it will not pop out. Okay, so this is your fan. Right, what else do we need for our aeroplane? We should be having some windows, right? So I'm going to cut out the windows now. Right, I'm now going to draw a circle here. You can just draw the circle, a medium-sized circle, and then you will have to cut it. Now teacher has some colorful circles cut out from A4s. Okay, now I'm going to paste these circles along this side and the other side so that they look like windows. Okay, right, let's start. You can start with any color you like. I'm going to first paste the blue color circle. Paste it here. You can do this alone. Okay, and next I will take the red one. Red one. Then I'll take the purple. Next I'll take another greenish one. last the orange. See how nice? Now teacher has finished pasting the windows on both sides. And the last thing is, I'm going to paste a small circle, very small circle, here in front of the fan. Okay. Now teacher's aeroplane is finished, right? We can fly now, okay? Right, so I want you to try this at home. Okay, everyone should try this at home and keep it safe because teacher is going to ask you to bring this aeroplane for our exhibition. Okay, will you do this? Yes, right? You must try this. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye.